moist chocolate cake is probably one of my favorite desserts. Then there's marble cake, which is both delicious and pretty to look at, with chocolate and vanilla swirls and sometimes strawberry. Yum! Anybody's mouth watering yet? Marble cake is actually a good visual of what I want to describe in the therapeutic process that I use. Granted, psychotherapy is not chocolate and vanilla that's swirled and yummy, but instead is swirled emotions and thoughts that are sometimes not yummy. It's more healthy in the long run, though, just saying. Over the course of my practice, I've identified 5 ingredients, like the recipe for swirled layered marble cake, for moving through and sorting out some of the emotions and beliefs that keep us stuck in automatic responses and emotions, like shame, self-judgment, and future tripping. Got that phrase from a client. I believe the key to psychotherapeutic healing starts with softening our hearts toward ourselves, which offers more choice in our reactions versus the automatic, somewhat impulsive responses we rarely think about, like I introduced you to in the last blog. See the pencil exercise video. Like marble cake, the swirled layers of these 5 ingredients are not distinct, symmetrical, or linear. They are more of a process that repeats, stirs, and flows. I liken this process to the actual making of the marble cake, where you find a recipe listing the ingredients. Combine those ingredients in a bowl, stirring them together. Before you put the batter in the oven, though, you'll need a cake pan, heat, and time. Paralleling this analogy to psychotherapy, recipes and ingredients are often found in healthy relationships, like with a professional therapist. And the pan represents a safe, judgment-free environment to explore our impulses and automatic habits. The oven portion of this analogy can be symbolic for the heat of life, the struggles in relationship, and difficulties that frequently accompany life on planet Earth. And finally, time for baking a cake parallels the time we must give ourselves to process psychological and emotional wounds and to heal. So for this recipe, here are the ingredients for the marbled therapeutic process. Number 1, catch the automatic. Number 2, have compassion for your humanity. Number 3, be curious and contemplate where the automatic started. Number 4, challenge the young belief system that you discovered through your curiosity. And number 5, choice arises. Continue the automatic or try something new. The mixing and baking happens as we allow each seed to have place in our lives. I called this process the 5 C's. Next up, slime. Stay tuned.